Why TikTok going into music is a big deal? Which are the biggest music streaming platforms today? It could be Apple Music, it could be Spotify. Well, there is a new player in town and it's not a stranger. It's TikTok Music by TikTok. TikTok Music has partnered with Universal Music Group, Warner Music Group, and Sony Music, among other record labels. Users would have access to a whole catalog of songs and add them to a library. So, what's the big difference? Why another streaming platform? What could be TikTok Music's USP in providing song recommendation to help users find songs that they saw go viral on TikTok videos? There could be collaborative playlists, your music library could be imported from other platforms, there would be a karaoke sing-along, and songs could be found by searching for lyrics. And just like Shazam, you could even try to identify songs. So, if you are in India, are you excited? Maybe you shouldn't be. The Indian government banned apps like TikTok a couple of years ago, so TikTok Music may not be available in India. But at the same time, TikTok owner ByteDance launched a music streaming service called Resso, which is available in India. Right now, TikTok Music is available in Indonesia and Brazil because those are some of TikTok's biggest markets. And Resso would be shutting down in those two countries, but not India for now. But what could TikTok Music mean in a market with Apple Music and Spotify? Spotify has about 45 million paid subscribers and Apple Music has close to 35 million. And it was reported that Spotify may be losing money year after year, capital was drying up and there were layoffs. TikTok, on the other hand, seems to be expanding into music creation, streaming and distribution. And Spotify is a pure play streaming platform which has expanded into audiobooks, podcasts and more to increase their product offerings. It has a market cap of about $32 billion as of July 2023. And TikTok seems to have the financial backing of ByteDance with a valuation of about $220 billion as of May 2023. So, it could be an interesting fight. That being said, it takes time to develop a music streaming service. There are regulatory hurdles per country and licensing deals to be made. So, TikTok Music solidifying its market share could take time. Could pricing be a way for TikTok Music to grow in users? If there is restricted availability, could TikTok truly be strapped to a rocket?